Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for Filecoin. It's been a while since I did a price prediction going all the way back to like December of 2024. At that moment, we was looking for the currency to go higher, and you guys can see that it was only maybe a couple of traded days to which Filecoin did go up, and it got stopped right here at this sell pocket at $8.15. So after that, the market collapsed, and the market has been in a downtrend ever since December. And as you guys can see as I zoom out, that is currently the direction in which the market is going. So could we possibly see the bottom in the market in Filecoin? Because if so, then this may be the pristine opportunity to come in and grab some up, but we'll see. Now, before I do, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. This is what I do. I seem to come through and show you all what I'm seeing on the charts and show you as well that you can do the same thing without the confusion. You can become more proficient at looking at price bars and volume to see what everyone else is doing. So that way we can get a heads up as to what we expect the market to do in the future. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. So first of all, like I said, the market in Filecoin didn't have enough momentum to come all the way up here at $9.25 in December. It only went as high as $8.30, which was still a pretty good return. You guys see like 13.04% there, but outside of that, there was nothing else on the bone for us to get from that move. And as you can tell, these buy pockets in Filecoin did not even hold. Sellers continued to control the price. And while we see that, we need to go ahead and create areas that we can see sellers in the market in Filecoin, because this will play a role into the future. Whenever these buyers grab control of price, these sell pockets will be points to where we can see the market get stuck or even snagged. Okay, coming back in towards February, there's still a couple of areas that we can see the market in Filecoin getting rejected, and this is probably a big area right here. The sell pocket right here in Filecoin, you guys can see that the market there in Filecoin is definitely getting hit by sellers. It's been multiple times that buyers were unable to break price above. So this is a very important sell pocket for us to see buyers break above whenever they grab control of price. So all of these sell pockets is literally telling us that this is where and how or who is controlling the price. Okay, sellers are the ones controlling the price. Now the only buy pocket that we probably can create is back here. Okay, this is the only area of late that we can see the buyers holding ground to not relinquishing control to the sellers. Okay, we can definitely see that. Okay, so now let's get back to where we are at today. Like I said, the market doesn't look bullish yet. Let's look at the price in Filecoin on the 2. I don't see anything here that would substantiate this market changing direction on the 2. Same thing on the 3. Here's Filecoin on the 4. Filecoin on the 5. Here it is on the weekly. Last week, even though we can see price trading at this near area buy pocket, it doesn't mean that this market is going to hold there. Now that's probably the only thing that I would tell us to be careful of, is noticing buyers holding this market right here around $2.25. Okay, but currently this cryptocurrency is definitely weak. All of these time frames is showing us that there's no momentum in favor of the buyers. Now let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 5-hour. Don't see anything here. Now this is the moment for buyers to confirm that they are here buying this cryptocurrency. They did it back here June the 5th. Price went up. Buyers did it again June 13th. Price went up a little bit. You guys can see it didn't run back up to 270. It got stopped at $2.56. And now these buyers will have to put more money on the line to hold this buy pocket. Will they do it? Because the answer will be determined relatively soon on this 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 330. So yeah, I don't see anything here yet outside of this pocket in Filecoin holding firm right now. Outside of that, the idea is that this market will continue to trend to the downside. Here it is on the daily. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. Let me add another pocket of selling right here. Now we're going to target these pockets though. Okay, so outside of the market holding the current buy pocket at $2.32 to $2.35, we're going to target this next buy pocket either at the high of the pocket, which is at $2.25, which is only 4.10% there. At the bottom, we're going to target that as well, which is like 10.25. And then anything outside of that, I think we are making off of this exchange in Filecoin all-time lows. Yes, we'll be looking at this market making all-time lows in Filecoin. Market is currently trading at a low right now. Prices from 2022, 3 years ago. That has been the ultimate low in the market for Filecoin, and here we are today. So everybody who has ever traded this cryptocurrency on this exchange in Binance is now under in Filecoin if they bought the currency and they're still holding it. Okay, so that's where I'm at right now. We're going to go ahead and look for the market in Filecoin continue to decrease in price. Let me take that back. As I said, anybody who bought Filecoin, the people who bought right here are in profit. These are the only individuals, people who could see a small minimum profit ever since this cryptocurrency was launched on Binance. Everybody else outside of these people in this buy pocket is under. Okay, so yeah, that's where I'm at. Let me know your guys' thought. It just seems as if this market isn't getting any hype, momentum, and you can tell that by how lackadaisical this market is trading. In Filecoin, it's just moving down. There's a couple of days we might get some spurts to where price tries to go up, but it's quickly hit by sellers in the market, and the market continues to go that direction, lower. So this is what I'm thinking right now. We'll see if these buyers will come back to life and lift the market. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.